Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my recipe for the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Of course, everybody's idea of what makes a perfect cookie is a little bit different, but this one has gotten really good reviews from friends and family, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Thanks for noticing. Now we're starting to get this!
So the first step is going to be to take the medium bowl and you're going to combine all the dry ingredients, which include the bread flour, the all-purpose flour, the baking soda, and the salt.
Now we're starting to get this!
Alright guys, so now we're going to take the larger mixing bowl and pretty much just going to combine all the other ingredients. If you notice with the butter, it is not 100% melted. I did that on purpose because when it is completely melted or not melted enough, it does change the texture of the cookies.
Now we're starting to get this!
So in regards to the chocolate chips, you can do whatever you want with this. You can do like white, dark, semi-sweet, etc. I usually like to use chocolate chunks, but I went to 3 different stores and for some reason none of them had it. So definitely the Ghirardelli brand is the best for the chocolate chips. So this was my next best option. Also, if you want your cookies to be more chewy, then you can fold in the chocolate chips rather than mix it together. So what that means is you would use a spatula and just mix it by hand. So about 15 minutes into your half hour, you're going to want to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. And then during this time, I also clean up everything. I put away my ingredients, wash my dishes, everything like that, so that I don't have to worry about it at the end. And then I also use parchment paper to line my baking tray so it's an easier cleanup. Unfortunately, I didn't know that my camera had run out of memory when I was taking this video, so it's just a still shot, so sorry about that. But I just wanted to take some time to point out the way the cookies look. The outside edges are slightly brown and the middle looks like it's not cooked, but they definitely have been cooked long enough. If you just remove it from heat and allow it time to cool down, you will see that they come out looking amazing. Well, that's all I have for you guys today, so thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think of this recipe if you try it out, and make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys next time.